It's not going to be a 4K video like you're used to. This is going to be shot on my Nikon D7200, and it will be it'll be full 1080p, so it's going to be a little bit lower resolution than normal. Sorry, guys. And on top of that, the wind is blowing like a bat out of hell today. So, unfortunately, it is going to be very noisy with wind noise. So, let's get into this, guys. Alright guys, so the basic tools you're going to need for this are going to be as follows, and I will show you which ones they are. You are going to need if I remember correctly, it's either a T27 or a T30 star bit. And you're going to need either a 5/16 or a 3/8 with a 8-inch long extension. I chose to use power tools on this, guys, but given these things work great, I've never had an issue with these, and it's been great for me, guys. So let's get right into this. So guys, in the intro, I'm sorry, but it actually is a 10 mil. It's not the other two that I was speaking about. So yeah, you make mistakes, you learn from them. God, that thing needs to be cleaned. Alright, so guys, the sensor we are going after, right down here. And guys, I was mistaken on what the actual bolt was too. It's not a T30. Something smaller. It's actually a 5/16. Don't need like 12-inch long extension on this one though. Yeah, that thing is disgusting again. Yep, same exact sensor. Awesome. So we're gonna get a ratchet this time instead of impact gun. Put that back in. So yeah, guys, that's the old one. Was an original Ford Motor Parts part. All right. Now that's all locked down. That hose is still in good condition. That one's still in good condition. God, it looks like the spark plugs are going to be a nightmare to get to, because I got one here, and one underneath this coolant pipe. That driver's side doesn't look too bad. Passenger side looks horrible. Okay, so that sensor is replaced, guys. Let's put this beauty cover back on. And I'll update you guys in another video. But I have the spark plugs for this thing. Okay, cool. So they're both in. And guys, I'm sorry about the focusing noise, but there's a lot of movement on this truck today. You don't really have to torque these down a whole lot. They will, they pretty much sit solid by themselves. There we go. They're both torqued down. Both on there pretty damn good. We're going to toss the old one in the old box and then toss it in the trash. So that's as simple as that gets, guys. That's just the map sensor on the intake. So let's get back to you guys. Alright guys, let's get you show you guys what this thing sounds like after the sensor has been replaced, and see if the fuel economy over the next couple weeks is a bit different. I'm really hoping it is, because for 35 bucks that little sensor was worth it, but at the same time I'm just not sure. Yeah guys, let me go get the keys and we'll fire her up, see how she sounds at idle. See if she's got a different tune at idle today. She fired right up. She sounds pretty good too, good and healthy. Definitely sounds healthy. Only time will tell, guys. Talk to you later. Alright guys, this is my thoughts on this. Time will only tell. So, well, I'll have to figure out over the next about 2-3 weeks, see if the fuel economy got any better. If it did, I will let you know with an update on this video. If it didn't, this is not going to be the end of this video. So I will not post this video until I have the 2-week review in here as well. I'm hoping that this helps with the fuel mileage a little bit. It should. Just changing and cleaning up a brand new sensor usually makes a difference on most stuff. So thank you guys, and I'll get back with you